the TV sounds, it's because my father and mother are watching TV. Also, you guys might wonder why I'm in Rivet right now. Well, I have been searching on Google why Rivet is like this. Well, it's because Rivet is getting shut down. And Google said that the app was only an experiment right there. It said that it was only an experiment app. Yeah, the Rivet team said that the app was only an experiment, and wow, I cannot believe my eyes that I see this. Like literally, it says experiment right there. The app will stop operating by October 16th, 2020. It was said on September 26, 2020. And I still have it right now in 2021. Maybe that's why I still have these 2 books that I'm getting tired of reading. Rest in peace, Rivet. Rest in peace. This was the best reading app ever. So, bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed.